Y'all see we back again on this car again on this camaro. Y'all listen to this sucker now. Got it crunk. We're almost there. We're almost there. We finna get it. We'll get this started again and we're gonna have it going right. Y'all peep it up. Gang. Yeah, we finna cut for the commercial. Holla back at y'all. Next thing.
You get traveling a lot, brother. Yeah, I know. Well, I used to have a nice digital one.
$200 now.
Yeah, it ain't cheap. Get it.
Yeah, we out here in there. And we out here finna get this car crunked up. I hear some dogs or something over there. We finna get it. We gonna get it going. Y'all hear it. Y'all see it, and we have it. Hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. I'll back at your boy. Next time.